Ooh. It's a classic start to one of my videos, me just taking everything out in my surroundings. Oh my god. Let me start off by saying the videos were just getting good, and how dare I got off to university. I'm so sorry it's been so long. Like literally, it's probably been about half a year. Although like literally in the last 6 months my life has changed so much. I've gone to university, I've had quite a big operation on my back. Unfortunately it didn't knock any more common sense into me, but it's fine. Happy New Year, by the way. I'm gonna kick 2024 off with what I want to crochet in 2024. This background is giving me so much nostalgia. I have completely revamped my Pinterest, and so my crochet board is mwah. I've got rid of everything that hurt my soul to look at. Just stuff that I really want to make. Say that there are 240 pins here, and let's be honest, I'm never going to end up making 240 things as much as I would like to. This isn't even crochet, this is actually criminal that it's not crochet. But anyway, you could crochet it. I've been secretly like a little bit addicted to making beanies. After my operation I was able to like sit for ages. I used my knitting machine to make some beanies. This one kind of sucks. Ones like this are so cute. I have a little bit of a funny thing about fluff. The itchy, scratchy, woolly fluff I can't cope with. This is just about bearable. Like this is kind of itchy, scratchy, and I just have to shut my brain off to it and pretend that everything's okay. That I low-key don't need to go get help. Oh. But facing our fears in 2024. This skirt I saw this morning. Oh, apparently they're trousers. I'd rather it was a skirt, to be honest. Beggars can't be choosers. I'm gonna pretend it's a skirt for the sake of my happiness. It's got this little cutout detail down the side, and I just really like it. I get so distracted and want to do so many different projects that it would probably take me about 7 months per leg. These things, I don't know what they're called. This one says hat. They're like crochet with like little holes in them as a hat. I feel like you'd have to be wearing a really cool outfit to pull this off though. Balaclavas is my next thing. In the summer I made a video of me making this one. Ooh, colour coordination. Look at that, it's matching my jumper. And then I started making this one. It's a bit tighter, which I almost prefer. The pattern is just so yummy. So I made one in purple as well. I love both of them, but I think I prefer this one, which really shocked me because normally I'm a purple person. But there's just something about this colour combination that really tickles my whiskers. That sounds a bit odd. I've been trying to create my own style and moving away from things that are like micro trends and trending, because I do get sick of looking at them and then it's like just not good for the environment at all. I've been noticing that I'm drawn more to things that look unusual, things that I haven't really seen before. Like for instance this, I love this. I think it's knitted, but we can ignore that for the sake of how cute it is. I feel like you can make anything knitted in a crochet way anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I also really like distressed knitted pieces and like distressed crochet pieces. So like things like this hoodie. Oh, I just can't, I don't have the attention span to just sit down and commit to like a big hoodie project. I watched a Jenna Phipps video the other day and she made a scrap yarn dress, and I am literally like craving to make something out of scrap yarn. I don't really have enough yarn to make a dress, and it's all acrylic and scratchy. I could really eat up a scrap yarn dress right now. Maybe don't, that probably wouldn't be very good for you. I'm trying to move away from using acrylic wool because it doesn't actually feel that nice. It gets sweaty and it's bad for the environment, so I'm kind of like trying to find new eco-friendly yarns to use. There isn't a yarn shop near uni, which is a bit of a problem. Okay, that's not a problem at all. For someone who used to work in a yarn shop, going from literally bathing in wool to having no wool anywhere is a little bit withdrawal symptoms. Now this cuff, I have no idea what I'd use it on, and it's low-key ugly, but for like a costume or like something kind of out there, this cuff is so yummy. These are like Shrekky fluff boobs. Fluffy Shrek boobs. I kind of love, and I'm worried it's because it's fluffy. Love that. And the leg warmers as well, the fluffy leg warmers. I love these ugly combination of yarns. It's just so This pink one I really want to make. I was looking at yarn for it though, and if you want like a slightly fluffy thin yarn, it's about £8 a ball for about 50 grams, which is going to do you maybe just about cover your nipples. I'm on a uni budget here. Oh, I can't lie, I'm such a sucker for the bow trend. Like, I've been trying really hard not to be a sucker for it because I know it is just a trend. But also I feel like it's almost like stars, like they're gonna not go out. They'll kind of blow over, but there'll still be some bows underlying. And you'll like go to sleep at night and close your eyes and you'll still see bows. But like this scarf is cute. I love like the really thick, chunky, good quality yarn. Like, let me bite into that. Also, I've seen people using just things that aren't yarn to crochet with, and that's like so good. Like, I've got so much scrap denim that I want to cut up and turn it to denim wool and then crochet it together. I also have tried to move, I say this whilst wearing this jumper, I've tried to move away from my checkerboard obsession, but I've decided that my black and white checkerboard obsession is not just the trend, because it kind of went out 2020 and I'm still drooling over checkerboard. I'm allowing myself that one. I'm allowing myself checkerboard. Anyway, I like these cushions. This set is so cute. Like, I honestly really love looking at the pieces that are like basics, but because they're knitted and like in a slightly unique wool, it's like, oh, so yummy. What else? This beanie, I don't know why I like this beanie so much, but this, if I ever find wool like that, I'm making one because I literally love that. Oh, I got another piercing. Low-key crusty. I feel like I'm heading back into the territory of like pieces that I had on my summer version of this video. I don't know what it is about a man wearing crochet, but it might just be this man specifically, but we can move past that. These crochet beanies are just I also really like this scarf, although it's kind of a bit whack. Oh, I saw this video of like someone who already had a knitted top and they did like surface crochet on it, stitched these swirls, and I'm like, that could be such a nice way to upcycle things. Also, something I want to make so bad, my friend had one as well, which kind of like tipped me over the edge because I'd seen the videos and then I saw his, and it's like just this star blanket. He's made it in like a pancakey color. Ooh, look at me go. This is another beanie video, but she like makes a beanie and then stitches a hat, stitches a star into it, and it's just so cute. Oh my god, tapestry crochet is something sorry, my ear's really itchy all of a sudden, I don't know why. Tapestry crochet is something I want to do so bad. Crochet mohair scrunchie. Also, whilst we're here, this is what the beanie looks like on. I can't lie, I love a beanie. Nice teeth. Anyway, that is what I want to crochet in 2024. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it gave you a little bit of inspiration. Which one's my favourite? I think I like this one more. There goes my hair and makeup. Thing is with these, you like, oh my god, like a little gnome. I've still got the ends to stitch in, but I think I might sell one of these. I'm not sure which one I'm going to sell yet, but keep an eye out on my Depop just in case it pops up. And if you want to look like a little gnome like me. I can't actually take this off to film the outro now, so it's got to stay on for the outro, because if I take it off and my hair's messed up, then we're gonna have problems. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Expect more content. Let me know if there's anything in particular you want to see. This kind of brings out the blue of my eyes, not to like flatter myself or anything. I love you all and thank you for watching. Now I've got to take a thumbnail. I forgot about that bit. Maybe I just keep the hat on for the thumbnail.